How to lock certain apps on an Android phone. Now, you may have particular apps on your phone that you don't want other people looking at if they get access to your phone, etc. So if you just want to lock particular certain apps, this is how we do it. Open up your phone's settings, look for password and biometrics. Now you can simply search app lock, or as you can see at the bottom of my screen, I've got the option there for app lock. Click on that. Now I've been asked to enter my password, so because I'm screen recording, the screen will be blank. So now you're inside app lock. Here's a list of all your apps, and you can pick which ones you want to lock individually. So I'm going to select Chrome, and I'll select Facebook. So now if I come out of app lock and go ahead and try and open up Chrome, I'm now being asked for a password, which is why my screen's blank. I'll enter the password, and then when Chrome loads, there you go. And that is how to lock certain apps on an Android.